Welcome to our lens showdown. Today, we are diving into a comparison between the Brightin 35mm f1.7 and the VILTROX 28mm f4.5 Pancake lens, both designed for Nikon Z mount mirrorless cameras. The Brightin Star offers a fast f/1.7 aperture, making it ideal for low-light conditions and achieving beautiful bokeh. In contrast, the VILTROX lens is ultra-compact and lightweight, perfect for travel and street photography. Join us as we break down their features, performance, and value for money. The Brightin 35mm f1.7 features a manual focus mechanism, allowing photographers to have full control over their focus points, which can be advantageous for creative shooting. However, this may slow down the workflow for some users. On the other hand, the VILTROX 28mm f4.5 offers autofocus functionality, making it easier and faster to capture spontaneous moments, especially in dynamic shooting environments. This difference in focus type significantly impacts the user experience and suitability for various photography styles. When it comes to aperture, the Brightin 35mm f1.7 shines with its fast f1.7 maximum aperture, allowing for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur, or bokeh. This makes it a great choice for portrait and creative photography. In contrast, the VILTROX 28mm f4.5 has a fixed maximum aperture of f4.5, which, while still functional, limits its ability to perform in low-light situations and achieve the same level of background separation. This is a crucial consideration for photographers who prioritize depth of field control. In terms of size and weight, the Brightin 35mm f1.7 is larger and heavier at approximately 372 grams, which may be less convenient for travel and street photography. In contrast, the VILTROX 28mm f4.5 is designed as a pancake lens, weighing only about 80 grams and measuring just 16.8 millimeters in thickness. This compact design makes it an excellent choice for photographers looking to minimize their gear and maintain a lightweight setup, especially during long shoots or travels. In conclusion, both the Brightin 35mm f1.7 and the VILTROX 28mm f4.5 Pancake lens offer unique advantages tailored to different photography needs. The Brightin Star excels in low-light performance and creative control with its fast aperture and manual focus, while the VILTROX provides convenience and portability with its autofocus and compact design. Depending on your shooting style and preferences, one of these lenses could be the perfect addition to your Nikon Z mount kit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and photography tips.